Okay, welcome to this video. On this one, we're going to combine the skills of our previous two videos on multiplying and dividing decimals, and we're going to apply that to some problem solving. Okay, so we've got two problems to do. So let's have a read of the first question. So three prices of different bottles of a drink are shown. Ariana needs to buy 5 litres of this drink. Which bottle should she buy so she spends the least amount of money? Okay, so if you want to have a go at this yourself, please pause the video now and then play when you're ready to listen to the explanation, which I'm going to go through now. So there are several different ways we can think about this. We could buy 5 1-litre bottles, okay, which would be 5 multiplied by £2.40. But that might not be the cheapest way to go about it. We could purchase 2 of the 1.5 litres and then 1 multiplied by the 2 litre. We could put those two together. And the reason for that instead of 2 1-litre bottles is if we have a look at the 1-litre bottle, we can clearly see that 2 of the 1-litre bottles would be more than 1 of the 2-litre bottles, so it's not worth the value for money. So we can put those together. So that would be 2 multiplied by £3.20, and then we would add £4.10. And then the third way of thinking about it might be to buy 2 of the 2-litre bottles and then 1 of the 1-litre bottles. But if we do that, if we buy 2 of the 2 litres, we're already at £8.20. Okay, and if we have a look, 2 multiplied by £3.20, that's £6.40. So I'd argue it's probably not going to be the best value, but we can explore it anyway. So we would do 2 times 2 litres, which is 2 multiplied by £4.10, and then we would have 1 times the 1 litre, which is adding another £2.40. So I think the most likely scenarios here are these 3. So let's go for them. So I'm going to label them option 1, option 2, option 3. Okay, those are our 3 most likely outcomes. So 5 multiplied by 2.40. Okay, so we can use our methods, or if you're quite capable, you could do this in your head. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 4 is 5 times 40 is 200, so it's an extra £2. So that would be £12 in total. Okay, so that's option number 1. Option number 2, we'd have 2 multiplied by £3.20 plus £4.10. Okay, now 2 times 3.20, that's 6.40. 6.40, 10.40, £10.50. Okay, so already option 2 is looking like a much better option. And then option 3, we've got 2 multiplied by £4.10 plus £2.40, so that's £8.20, £10.20, £10.60. Okay, so it was quite close in the end, so glad we explored that one. So option 2 is the best price by only 10p. Okay, so we would have bought 2 of the 1.5 litre bottles and 1 times the 2 litre bottle. That would be our answer there. Okay. Now we have a second problem, which is this. Morgan needs to choose a phone care package. Okay, so we've got the care plan and the all plan. So in the care plan, it's £25 fixed monthly, which includes 1,000 texts and 400 minutes. Extra minutes are 8.6p per minute. Extra texts are 4.5p per text. So Morgan uses 722 minutes and sent 1,089 texts. Which plan would have been cheaper, the best value? Okay. Right, let's start with the care plan. We've got to work them out separately to compare them anyway. So let's have a look at the care plan first. If you want to pause and have a go at this yourself, please do so. And then play again when you're ready to go through it with me. So it's £25 monthly fixed. That's all there. It includes 1,000 texts. Right. How many texts did he send? He sent an extra 89 texts. So we need to do 89 multiplied by 4.5. Now, if we set that out nicely, you can set that out nicely without a calculator again. So what you'll get when you do that, if we go back to the method, is that's an extra 400.5p. Okay, so if I write that in pounds, that's going to be £4 and 1p if I round it. Okay, you know these companies, they like to round. Now, extra minutes. It was 322 extra minutes because it included 400 of them, but he used 722. So it's 322 multiplied by 8.6. And when we do that, that's an extra 2,769.2p. Again, I'm going to convert that into pounds. So that is an extra £27.69. So extra-wise, if we add that, so he spent £31.70 on extras, plus the £25 of the fixed costs. So overall on the care plan, he spent £56.70 for that month if he used the care plan. Now, if he'd used the all plan, he's going to have a £32 monthly cost. It includes unlimited text, so he didn't pay any extra money for the texts. And he only used 122 extra minutes. Now, the 122 extra minutes, though, they came at a cost of 23p each. So 122 multiplied by 23, which is £28.06. Okay, 2,806 pennies. Now, if we add on the £32 that it would have cost him for that inclusive, he would have actually spent £60 and 6p if he was on the all plan. So by comparing the two, we can clearly see that the care plan is the best plan to go with, okay, for him for that month. Okay, so just a real life scenario there. It is always worth checking out what your extra costs are in a phone plan. You can use quite a lot of maths with multiplying and adding decimals here. Okay, hope you enjoyed, hope you did well on those. Thanks for watching.